Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your working hours in your Slack account. So follow the following steps. First, open any browser and log into your Slack account. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Now select Preferences. Scroll down to the Notifications Schedule section. Here you can set your specific working hours by selecting the days and times when you want to receive notifications. Slack will automatically mute notifications outside of those hours, helping you maintain a healthy work-life balance. Once you have customized your work schedule, make sure to save your changes. Now, your Slack notifications will follow this schedule, keeping you in control of when you are available. And that's it. You have successfully set your working hours in Slack. Thanks for joining us today. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon to the next video.